What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we have the Yeezy 350 Boost. We got the Yeezy Boost box, and we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Yecheil, whatever the name is that Kanye be coming up with. But let's get to the pics. Alright, so we got the Yeezy 350 Boost Yecheil with that black, red, green, and pinkish prime net. You also got a little bluish purplish right here in the back, and it's also mixed in with the red. These are dope. You got that black smoky gray outsole, which I love. I love that smoke gray dark outsole, so you don't see that that yellowing. Got that boost on the bottom, white boost right there, and you got the word boost. On the front you have Adidas, and you have the Adidas logo. The laces is black with 3M hits. You got the clear mesh right here, but it's in black. You can see, I don't know if you can see through it on camera, but you definitely can see through it though. It's a see-through mesh. You got that light pinkish color on the sock liner and on the insole. You have Adidas Yeezy right there, and you have the 3 stripe and 3M on the pull tab. The other foot, I'm really feeling this colorway. I like that he did something different, and it's not the same like all the other colorways that's mad similar to each other, like the Citron, the Landmark, and you know, all them colorways are so similar, like you can't tell the difference. I'm glad he did something different. So let me know what y'all think. If y'all pick them up, if y'all pass, if y'all waiting for those for that new model, the V3 700, I think. I don't even know where those are dropping. I think it's just like the Adidas app. I don't know, like no in-store or nothing like that. Those are gonna be stupid hard to get also. But I'm feeling these, man. These are pretty dope. I wish I could get my hands on the all 3M reflective pair though, but these are pretty dope, man, and it's different. It's not like the other colorways. So I'm gonna show y'all a quick shot of the 3M, and then we're gonna get to this on foot. All right, so it's just a quick little look at the 3M on the laces. You can see it back there on that one. There you go. Can't wait to get my hands on a fully reflective pair, so I could see the difference in how those look with the regular non-reflective. So let me know what y'all think. If y'all feeling these, if y'all cop, if y'all gonna pass, if y'all want to get the reflective pair or the non-reflective is just fine with y'all. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for that one foot.
Perfect.